Like even if you're running a class. Tuck it in. Wait for it, wait for it. Alright, go, 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 go. Keep it going, keep it going. Good, good. On the outside of both of these. You got it, you got it. Get in. Good, good. Then back out. Back in. Perfect. Yep. Back out again. A little bit of brake. Nice and tight, nice and tight. Keep it going. Yep, keep it going. Try to look ahead. See where you're going. Good. On the outside of both of these. Good. A little bit of brake right now. Tuck it in. Good. Back out. Yep. Back in. A little bit of gas. Real hard to brake, real hard, nice and tight. Good, keep it going, keep it going. Yep, just keep following around. Ready, hit the gas, go, 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 go. Go out. You got it, you got it. Slow down, slow down, slow down, real hard. Tuck it in tight. You got it, you got it. Right to the finish. Right between them, right there, perfect. Nice run.
56. Oh, yeah.